Welcome back to our watching bird video. But before talking something, I would like to send this message to everybody. If you love birds, grow trees, don't buy cake. So today I don't go out to the field, to the forest, but I am here in the town to watch birds. Yes, you can see birds everywhere. Different birds living in different habitats. Sometimes, if you want to see a certain bird, you have to know exactly where it lives. Example, if you want to see the giant ibis, where should we go? If you want to see stork, where can we find stork? So we can find birds everywhere. In the village, in the garden, in the town, forest, evergreen forest, waterfall, flooded area, mangrove, everywhere that you can find birds. So guys, how many birds can you see in a day? Because the bird can be around you anytime, any place. So today, I staying at home and to show you a few birds. One of them is spotted dove that I can see, I can hear every time, every day when I stay at home. So, how can you tell that is the spotted dove? And how can you tell that is the zebra or the black color dove? How about you all guys? Can you identify birds? And how can you tell which one is which one? If you cannot, I will give you one helpful tip that can help you, but not 100%, can help you to identify birds. So there are 6 main keys to help you to find out the birds. The first one is size and shape. The second one is color pattern. The third one is behavior. The fourth is the habitat or home where the bird lives. The fifth, that is song and call. The sixth, that is field mark. The book is very important. So these 6 main keys can help you to identify bird easily. So okay, give you the first one, size and shape. So different bird has different size and shape. Example, if you see one bird about 50 meter or 100 meter, sometimes you don't have to use telescope or binoculars, but you try to guess by seeing the size and the shape. Example, that is dove or sparrow. You can see the shape. It must be sparrow or it must be dove. You can see the size. It must be common minor. Because different bird has different size and different shape. At least it can help you 50%. Example, you see small bird, it can be Baya weaver or Asian golden weaver. But it cannot be stork. It cannot be pigeon because the pigeon is bigger, stork is bigger. So that small size, 8 to 12 centimeter, is only sparrow or baya weaver or golden weaver. So this is the first one. And the second one, the color pattern. You can see different color on one bird. When you see the black ground, when you see the red neck, when you see the black breast, when you see the blue wing, white tail, and you can tell. Example, you can see it brown, it black head. You can guess it must be lesser whistling duck. So the color pattern is very helpful. Sometimes you cannot see very clear, but you see some color, and then you can know that, oh, it must be Indo-Chinese roller because it's green, it's purple on the throat. So this can help you. Number 3, behavior. Behavior is also very important because of some birds, they like walking or wading slowly to get food. And some birds, they like jumping from one place to another place. And some birds, it like perching on the top of the tree and looking down to find food. So you can tell. Example, behavior is very helpful to help you. You have your friend, Mr. John, and sometimes you can see Mr. John from the distance. You cannot see his face clearly, but you can see how he walks, how he sits, his gesture, and then you can tell, oh, that must be John, because this is the way he walks. And the bird, that is the same. You can see it fly, you can see it jump, you can see it start to glide, it open its tail. So this is the way that you can guess. And number 4, habitat. Habitat is also another clue to help you to recognize birds. Because, example, if you are in the village and then you told somebody that I saw minivan, and then somebody say, no, where did you see it? In here, it is impossible because minivan not living in this area. It's only in the green forest area or CDF. So when we go to the water area, and then you can see like the kind of hunter bird or raptor. That is the kind of bird that hunt fish or hunt some small animal for food. And then you see from where you live, and it is in the place, and then you may think it must be the gray-headed fish eagle, because you always find this bird in their place. And then if you told somebody that I found the gray-headed fish eagle in the village, in my garden, and somebody said, no, it is impossible because the gray-headed fish eagle can't live in that village, can't live in the village. It's only in the water area or in the mangrove. So habitat is very helpful. Number 5. So number 5, it is very special. That is called song and call. So number 5 is very important, and it can help you almost 90% to tell which bird that is song and call, because different bird has different sound. Sometimes you walk and then you don't look up to the tree, and then you can hear, oh, that is the black drongo, oh, that is the common kingfisher, oh, that is the barred oilet. So that is, you can tell because you can hear. So it's very important, but this is very difficult skill. No one is perfectly good at hearing to the bird song and call. The last one. The last one, I like it very much. That is field mark or field guide, the book. Yeah? The book is the last confirmation if you are not so sure which bird it is, so you can open your book and see. You can see that. You can see. Yeah? It's all the field mark, all the color pattern. It can help you easily. That is the last confirmation to say that is gray-headed fish eagle or that is red color dove. So this is very big help. Okay, I hope this video can help you a lot to become the birder or bird watcher. Yeah. Okay, I will try to look around. I hope that I can see some. Okay, it's too far, but I try to guess. The shape is about 35 to 45 centimeters. I know some. Wait. Okay. I can see the shape, the short bill. I can see the color. Okay, I guess that is the eastern spotted dove. So it can help you. The eastern spotted dove. So I know that the eastern spotted dove, the underpart is pink, pinkish. Yeah, it's not 100% pink. We can say pinkish, and the upper part brown. So on the side of the neck, on the side of the neck and the back, you can see the white and the black spot. The ground, you can see the foreground, it pale gray. The foreground is pale gray. But if it fly, you can see the broad white tip tail. But if it landing or perching, you cannot tell. Yeah. But it's too far to hear the sound. If I can hear the sound, example like cuckoo, cuckoo, so I know exactly what type of bird it is. Okay, one more. I will confirm with my book. Okay, I see again. Okay, hold on. The one just flew out. Let me try to find another. Yes, I can see two more birds over there. And it's not very far from me. And then please help me to guess. Okay? I will not say it is red color dove, zebra dove, or eastern spotted dove. But I have just described what it looked like. Okay, now together, looking at the bird and try to guess. I'm sure about 90% already. I know its size, I know its shape, I can see the color pattern, I can see the behavior, and I know the habitat. It is in the village. But I'm not yet hearing the song and call. But my last confirmation, that is my field guide. Let me check. You see? This is, it has the brown upper part, it has the pink underpart, gray head, short bill, black and white spot. Yes, that is the eastern spotted dove. So this is the way that it can help you. So you don't think that you are the king of the bird watcher. You just go without carrying things, and you can tell no. You need this to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that the next video I can tell you more how to become the bird watcher. Bye bye.